So hi everyone, let's see this question. I think you have some clarity regarding the glass prism. In the following diagram, the path of a ray of light is passing through a glass prism as shown. In this diagram, the angle of incidence, the angle of emergence, and the angle of deviation respectively are. Okay. Now, prism is that. This is a prism. Let us understand the basics of prism. Now, this is the surface. Okay. This is one surface. This is second surface, first surface. The light is going to incident on the surface. You will draw the normal. This is normal, N1. So angle made by the incident ray with the normal is known as angle of incident. That is Y is angle of incidence. So this is going like this. It is striking the next face. Then you will draw the normal again. That is N2. So it is going from denser to rarer. It will bend away from the normal. This is the angle made by the emergent ray with the normal is known as angle of emergence. Okay, from the normal like this. Clear? This is angle of emergence. Q is angle of emergence. And the angle between the original direction of incident ray. This is, you can check. This is the incident ray, it is going straight. But due to deviation or due to bending, due to change in refractive index, it is going in this direction. So when you take this back, this is known as angle of deviation. Okay, well, clear? This is known as angle of deviation. So right answer is, what is the right answer? Here P is angle of deviation, option D. P is angle of deviation, Q is angle of emergence, Y is angle of incidence. So right option is D. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. I hope any doubt is still, you can ask me anytime. Okay. Thank you. Wish you good luck for exam.